Hello.
Hi there, welcome to our video. We're going to make kimchi today, and the kimchi is an amazing digestive process. So this is Jocelyn from Jocelyn's Kitchen, and I am Allie. And we're going to make up this kimchi, which is Napa cabbage and scallions and radishes and carrots. So we have to let it ferment for a few days, which we're going to do at Jocelyn's house because my partner can't stand the smell of cabbage fermenting because it's really, really stinky. So here we go. So slice it up so you can put it in the Cuisinart. And the onions we're just going to cut probably by hand. And then this is the radish that I'll also cut up for the Cuisinart. And then there is the cabbage.
Any of the green?
Oh yeah.
Is Elise knocked out of work for a bit? Yeah.
So this is before we squeeze it. Beautiful vegetables. Okay, so I added 2 tablespoons of salt. Then I have to squeeze it for 10 minutes. Get the salt working through and get the liquid coming out of the veggies. My hand is going to be very cold very soon. Okay, so this is about minute 5 of squeezing. So you can see there's a lot more liquid in there. And I've put in a little bit of chili, not too much so it's not too aggravating, to internal fire. So I need to still squeeze for another 5 minutes and then let it sit, and then I'm going to do it all over again. Okay, so it looks like after the first squeeze, and it sat, and now all the water has been coming out of the veggies, ready for the next squeeze. Okay, so this is it ready to go into jars. So a good amount of water, nice and squishy, and really, really pretty. Okay, here it is in the jars, ready to go and be put away for 4 days to ferment. So the jars are loosely on top, and you got to put something underneath because they will potentially leak a little bit. And we squished them so that all the bubbles came up. Ready to go.